Ayan, papapalit na namin yung gagamitin namin card para sa mga train namin for tomorrow. Yun o. Yun o.
Cash pay?
Yes.
So you have to pay exact amount?
Exact amount lang siya, 7,000.
2,000 won and then 5,000. Total 7,000.
Printing.
Tapos dito naman.
Yun, done na. Patingin?
Yay!